In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to a listing on eBay, perfect for beginners who are just starting their online selling journey. One of the key elements that can significantly enhance your eBay listing is adding good quality photos. Photos not only attract potential buyers, but also help convey important details about your item, enabling you to stand out in a crowded marketplace. So let's dive right in and see how easy it can be. First up, we're going to start by opening your eBay account and navigating to the Listings section. You can either create a new listing if you wish to add photos to a fresh item, or simply access an existing listing that you'd like to update with images. Keep in mind that clear and vibrant photos can truly enhance the appeal of your listing and potentially drive more interest from buyers. Once you have your listing open, you'll notice an option labeled Add Photos. This option is often highlighted, making it easy to find. Click on Add Photos, which triggers a dialog box prompting you to upload images. Now it's time to upload the photos from your computer or device. At this stage, make sure you've organized your photos beforehand. This will save you time and make the process much smoother. You should see a Browse button or similar, depending on your browser or operating system. Clicking on this allows you to navigate through your files to select the pictures you wish to upload. Remember, eBay allows multiple photos for a single listing, so feel free to select a range of images that showcase different angles or unique features of your item. Once you've carefully chosen the images and selected them for upload, they will begin to load onto your listing. Monitor the progress to ensure each picture is uploaded successfully. A helpful tip here is to check for clear, well-lit photos that best represent the item, as this can greatly increase the chances of making a sale. After the photos are uploaded, it's vital to preview the listing to ensure the images appear correctly and are effectively showcasing your item. This is your opportunity to reorder them if necessary, and you might want to choose the most appealing photo as the main image for the listing, as it's the first thing potential buyers will notice. Finally, once you've confirmed that everything is in place and that you're happy with how the photos are aligned, don't forget to save your changes. Saving ensures that all your hard work isn't lost and that the images are locked in place for potential buyers to see. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to enhance your eBay listings by adding photos. Your listings should now be optimized with visual content to capture the attention of prospective buyers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling on eBay!